Get ready with me as I'm going to cook chapati pale kwa barabara. Hii jiko manze ilikuwa inanichoma. I had to walk very fast. Nifike. Kuhustle si rahisi jamani. Okay guys, this is my hustle. This has been my hustle since last year September. That is, I thought guys, nimesoma lakini hakuna kazi. Sasa nitafanya. So I'll just have to sell chapati. Hii ndio kazi nimeona nianze. Hiyo kazi yenye nilisomea itafika. And by the way guys, let's not just focus on what we have done in school, like course tumefanya. Tufanye tu kazi imekaa. Any job that you can do, just try it. Itajipa siku moja. Like on Monday hakunanga kazi. There's no job on Monday. So juu Monday saa zingine naweza pika chapati mingi napata nakula stock jamani. Nakula chapati yote. Juu hakuna customers. Mimi sijui Monday wa customers wanaendanga wapi. I know I did nursing and I did food and beverage, but because there is no job, I had to learn here. And as you can see, we have supermarkets here. Our biggest supermarket in Mailinne. So as you pass by, mkichukua chapati, mnaingia hapo, mnatoa soda na maziwa. Ni hapo tunafanyanga shopping yangu. Stock yangu nachukuanga hapa. By the way guys, karibu nisahau. I always do delivery. You can call me. I'll put my number on the screen so that anytime you want to eat sweet chapatis, you can give me a call. I'll be available. Guys, as you can see, I'm done cooking my chapatis. So I'm just waiting for the customers. Mungu anilete customers ama nitakula stock yote. Guys, I'm just hoping customers wakuje, niuze, niende nipike zingine pia. Don't forget to subscribe, watch, like, share, tap on the notification button.